been retired now, cause in a year, 2 years older than P, I think it was a year.
Oh, there we go.
Got it? Oh, bring it, bro. Oh, you got your way shit. Three.
Here we go. Yeah, y'all, we got a nice one on. Hey, welcome to another episode of On the Real Fishing. So yeah, we are out here in the Manatee County area on the Manatee River, and just give y'all a kind of a forecast. Right now we got a real overcast today. I think we're only probably gonna have maybe a couple hours to fish. And so I've got a special guest on the boat today, right? So I'm not gonna show him right now, but y'all gonna see him. But go back a couple of months and check out the video, and you'll see who I'm talking about. But I'm gonna show him here in a little bit. We're gonna get on, start fishing, and see if we can get off real fast, and then we're gonna go from there. So what we're targeting today is gonna be snook, redfish, mango snapper. That's the target. Maybe some trout too. So we're gonna see how it is. Right now we're up in this marina. We hope they don't try to kick us out or say nothing, but I don't see signs that say you can't fish, so we're gonna do it anyway. All right, so remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to On the Real Fishing. Let's go. So yeah, y'all, we went to the this first spot over here, and it looked like a good spot, but we got like no hits, no nothing. So we're gonna keep moving. So one of the things too, when you guys are fishing, yeah, don't get married to a spot. Like, so if you don't feel no bites, move on, because they're not there, right? Most fish like mango snapper, if they see something in their face, they're gonna go for it. So if there's nothing there, you get no nibbles, no nothing, that means there's not even bait fish in the area. So if there's no bait fish, guess what? There's no other fish. So we're gonna move to the next spot. I'll give y'all another update, and we'll see what we get on. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to On the Real Fishing. Let's go.
That first one was, but you hit so hard, it did so quick.
Yeah, that's a nice one there, Bob Scott. So yeah, that's the person I was telling that was on the boat, y'all. So
come and get him.
let him hold the fish. He gonna have to throw him back. I know he want to keep him, but
yeah, he got smaller back there.
That's a good one though.
Yeah.
That's probably like
about
12, 13, yeah. So yeah, y'all, the redfish got to be 18 to 27.
27.
Yeah. So we'll this is a good spot though. That's a good sign. So we
Nah,
he good. Yep. Good release on him. And we'll get one.
Come back next year.
Yeah. He just got a nice little hit, so we'll see. Thank you. Yeah, I think sheephead. Yeah, I think they're over there too. It's a good. Oh, I got a snapper. That's some good eating right there. Is that a snapper? Yeah. He probably is. Yeah, that's they gotta be 10. 10? Yeah, he look bigger. Yeah, he big enough. He probably about 11. Yeah, they keep him. Yeah, snappers. Yeah, they snap. They snap fast.
Yeah. When it hit the water, he got it clean.
Oh, I throw him in the ice. I got ice up there. Okay, yeah, that's you could check. I could check him. He might make. Oh, you know what? Put him near. Yeah, I got where's back in the back? Once you get in the back, yeah. The tail. Oh, shoot. That's the lady fish. Got
Good dog you got there. Thank you.
Snook. A little snook. Got a little snook on. Definitely got to throw him back. So snook got to be 28 keep. And it's got to be in season. Now I fished on that marina across the way there, and they ain't saying that. It was that restaurant on the Braden side.
Show me all the old goddamn cool bush. Yeah, we did the day before. He said he know somebody there, so maybe that's what it was.
I throw across you, or you got? They ain't turned out to be too bad. Oh, there we go. Get out there.
Oh, bring it, bro. That's what he said.
It's written in red. That's keeper too.
Where you at, man?
Right there.
I can't see. Where you at?
Scoop him. Get him. No, you gotta spin.
Oh man, no wonder.
Yeah, he had it here.
No wonder I got that show. I reached in there. He run out of money. That's what they're going on. I had to look down and say, shit.
That's a keeper right there. That's a nice one.
That's
Woo!
You can feed the whole family.
Hey, thanks for the advice.
Yep, that's all right. You said you got a good one.
Yeah, I said I kept getting a hit.
Yeah. That's about it.
That's keeper right there all day.
They swallowed that, didn't they?
Yeah. Yes, sir, y'all.
Yes.
We gotta
20.
yeah, we're gonna measure him up.
24. 2 foot in.
Yeah, this might be see that's a nice fish. One spot in the back. Look at this, y'all. He swallowed it all the way.
He wasn't gonna break on that line here alone. He wasn't going nowhere.
But he going to the house.
Yeah, you got to go. I'm just sure. Oh, this shit here. You talking shit. Turn your ass up. You get one like, oh, goddamn, my wife love that shit.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we going. Yeah, y'all, we got a nice one on. Let's get a measure on him. So let's see. So he is, dang, he just make it at 18. Yeah, it looked like he was bigger than that, but he going home though. That's it. 18. Yeah, 18 it, yeah. So yeah, 18, y'all. We can. I ain't catch a red in a while, so we're gonna keep that. That's going to the house. But yeah, 18 to 27. Got another one. Yes, sir.
Come up that hole, man. That's where we're laying in that hole, bro. Just keep him high, keep him up. Come around, baby. Come around. Come around. That's like 28 there. You see this boat?
There we go. Woohoo! Yes, sir.
We eating it, man. We eating today, what? That's what it's 20. Whatever it was. 20 what?
That's the other one, 18. That's about 22. Let me hit this camera right here.
That'd be 22, man. That'd be 22,
Yeah, y'all. We got another red. Now this is bigger than the other one. Beautiful fish. That's a nice copper color on him. So this is another one striper. I mean, one spot. And look at it, y'all. He hooked just in the lip.
That's where it is. Just in the lip.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna get a measurement on him. Let me get this hook out of his mouth.
Exactly 2 foot.
I know that I was feeling the water. Yes, sir, y'all. Nice red. On the reel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. On the Real Fishing. Let's go. We're gonna get a measurement on him. So this one is 20, is it 22? 21, this 21. 21. Yeah, my friends, so to give y'all an update. Yeah, we caught 2 nice reds. We got a mango snapper, sheephead. They all were keepers. Now, as y'all can see, the wind is picking up. So if you look over there, there's a storm coming. So we're gonna try it for maybe an hour, but we right by the boat ramp, so we should be good. But there's wind picking up. We're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully it'll slow down, but I think we're gonna have about an hour left, like I say. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe on The Real Fishing. Let's go. So yeah, y'all. All right, yeah. So and like we said earlier in the video, that rain was coming about 12. Right now it's 11:45. Yeah. And so we only had about 3-4 hours to try it. and we got thunderstorms. So yeah, and like your mama, your grandma and them used to say back in the day when it started thunder and lightning, they say sit still, sit down somewhere. So we getting ready to sit down somewhere. All right, remember like, share, comment, and subscribe on The Real Fishing. Let's go. Yeah, that's what we're looking at out in the Gulf. Rain coming in. So we don't can't see the island, can't see nothing. Need out of all that. Yeah. So we got about 10 minutes to get up out of here, y'all. 10 minutes. And hey, look at that, look at them clouds right there. So we gotta get up out of here. So as usual, man, thank y'all for watching, man, and we enjoying ourselves. We got I'm still going. We got Pops. We got Pops out, so we gonna do it again. So he had a short trip today, so we're gonna try it again probably in about a week or so. We'll get back out again. So all right, y'all. Well, remember, once again, like, share, comment, and subscribe on The Real Fishing. Let's go. Yeah. Oh yeah, they cleaning. You got a table out.
They know where to go. They took him to the fish.
All right. Oh, what? Oh my gosh, the monster. Wait, what you say it was? Like, oh, that's a monster. Might be just barely making it. Man. So you might be barely making it. Yeah, I was like, yeah, we got to get up out of here. So yeah, y'all, the drag of summer fishing in Florida. Always gonna get caught. You're gonna get caught with the rain. But while it's raining, let me just real fast show y'all the work we put in today. So that's the work for the day. So yeah, two nice red drums. My dad caught us a couple, the snapper, that one snapper and that one sheephead there. He needed some food to eat, so he said he's gonna cook those up and put them on some beans and rice. So, you know, my dad is you know, older and on fixed income, so you know he got to eat. So, and I'm probably give him one of those reds too, so he'll have some meat. some fish to eat for a couple days, maybe a week. All right, remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to On the Real Fishing. Let's go.